Hi Jammers, today I got the new den. I really like it actually. But also I'm so happy because I got 3 subscribers. I mean, I know 3 isn't much, but I know one person who subscribed and that's my friend. And thank you for subscribing. And the 2 other people, I don't know who, but they're awesome. Thank you so much. So really, I'm just going to be soloing you around my den and other things. It's really random. And if you hear crunching and weird sounds, I'm eating crackers. So, yeah. Oh. No. She can't talk right now, really. She's my friend. In real life. And she's really nice. So yeah. So then, I'm gonna go down. Maybe I can unlock my den for people who actually play Animal Jam can go in it. I'm so happy. I really wanted the eagle because I don't have an eagle and I really wanted to go on the adventure where you can get a rare spike and you have to have a flying animal. And I have 7 diamonds. Everybody turn all white. Nothing. 3 subscribers, guys. I'm so happy. I'm gonna see what she has on her trade list. I love that. It's so cute. She actually has a really good trade list. So I'm hoping I can make new buddies. So yeah. This video is probably not going to be very long, but I'm really just going to be walking around Jama like normally because I usually run into ideas. In the comments, please tell me what I should make my next video about. I'm planning on playing Transformice, but I'm going to have to make a whole new account because I forgot the username and password to my last one. So yeah. So I'm going to be making a video of Transformice. Well, I might make a Transformice video, but I might not. So if you don't see one coming, that's probably why. I'll also probably make more Moshi Monster videos, because those are mostly the games I play. So I think that's it for this video. Bye guys!